Gordon was cross. Why should Henry have a new shape, he grumbled. A shape good enough for me is good enough for him. He goes gallanting off, leaving us to do his work, comes saying how happy he feels. It's disgraceful. And there's another thing. Henry whistles too much. No respectful engines whistles loudly in stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Poor Henry didn't feel happy anymore. Never mind, whispered Percy. I'm glad you're home again. I like your whistling. Goodbye, Henry, called Gordon. We'll have you with us again, but remember what I said. Later, Henry stopped at Edward's station. Hello, Henry, said Edward. You look splendid. I was pleased to hear your happy whistle yesterday. Thank you, Edward, smiled Henry. Shh, can you hear something? It sounds like Gordon, said Edward. It ought to be Gordon, but Gordon never whistles like that. It was Gordon. He came rushing down the hill at Germander Street. He didn't look at Henry and he didn't look at Edward. He screamed through the station and disappeared. Well, said Edward. It isn't wrong, chuckled Henry, but we just don't do it. And he told Edward what Gordon had said. Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awful. At the station, everyone covered their ears, so Topham Hatt covered his ears too. Take him away, he bellowed, and stop that noise. Gordon puffed sadly away, but he wouldn't stop whistling until two fiddles climbed up and knocked his whistle valve in place. That night, Gordon strolled into the shed. He was glad it was empty. It isn't wrong, mumbled Henry Jr. into particular, but we just don't do it. No one messing whistles. The next morning, Henry was enjoying it enormously. I feel so well, he stormed. Trickety-chock, pumped his coaches. Then he saw some boys on the bridge. Beep, beep, hello, he whistled. Oh, he groaned. The boys didn't even take his number. They thought it was fun to drop stones on him instead. They're broken our glass, cried the coaches. The passengers weren't hurt, but they were cross. Call the police. No, said the driver, leave it to Henry and me. What will you do? They asked. Can they keep a secret? Yes. Well then, said the driver, Henry's gonna sneeze on those boys. Lots of people at the station before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry has plenty of ashes, said the driver. Please keep all of those subs till we pass the bridge. Henry's excited as real, aren't you, old fellow? Henry more stuffed up and excited. Soon they can see the boys, and they all have stones. Are you ready, Henry? Said the driver. Sneeze harder than I tell you. Now, he said. Well done, Henry, laughed his driver. Henry went home, hoping that the next time he saw Gordon and the boys, they would learn not to be so mean.